SYOSIN Keyboard Cleaner Universal Dust Cleaning Gel Dirt Bacteria Cleaner for Laptops, Car Vents, Printers, Calculators, Blue. Eco-friendly and safe material. This gel keyboard cleaner is made of very safe and eco-friendly material. It smells good with lemon fragrance. It is non-toxic and will do no harm to human body and totally no stimulation to skin. Quickly remove dust and powerful cleaning. This cleaning compound quickly absorbs 95% dirt, dust, crumb, bacteria on electronic and mechanical appliance. It can reach spots and gaps, penetrate into every corner to clean your devices thoroughly. Super convenient and easy to use. It is easy to carry and can be used at any time anywhere. Just place the cleaning gel on the surface to be cleaned, press and roll slightly and then pull it up slowly, the dirt will be taken away with the gel. Reusable and durable, this keyboard cleaner can be used for multiple times until the gel turns to black. Please put the gel into the sealed box after use and store it in a cool, dry place. Universal use. This multifunctional keyboard cleaner can be used on a variety of items, like laptops, computers, phones, toys, tools, car air vents, printers, calculators, etc. How to use. Keep your hands dry before use the cleaning gel. 2. Take a piece of cleaning gel and knead it gently for several times. 3. Put it on the surface to be cleaned. Press and roll it slightly about 4 to 5 times and then pull it up slowly. Please do not place it on the keyboard for a long time. 4. After use, seal the cleaning gel into the little box timely.